Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 13.1 question number 2. Express the following in exponential form. That is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, t into t, b into b into b into b, 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7, 2 into 2 into a into a, a into a into a into c into c into c into c into d. Let us write in exponential form. Let us write this in exponential form. That is number 1. Number 1 you see is Number 1 is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. That means we are getting 6 to the power 4. 6 to the power 4. Number 2 is t into t, t into t, or it can be written as t to the power 2. 3 is b into b into b into b. That means it is equal to b to the power 4, b to the power 4. Right? Now we'll solve question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is question number 4. Question number 4 is 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. Right? That can be written as 5. How many 5 are there? 1, 2. The power is 2 into 7. How many 7 are there? 1, 2, 3. 7 to the power 3. That is 5 to the power 2 and 7 to the power 3. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is 2 into 2 into a into a. Then you are getting, here you see, that is 2 to the power 1 and 2. How many 2's are there? 1, 2. The power is 2 to the power 2 into a. How many a's are there? 1, 2. A to the power 2. Right? Now question number 6. Question number 6 is given as a into a into a into c into c into c into c into d. Right? Therefore, you can write it as a. How many a's are there? 1, 2, 3. The power will be a to the power 3. Next c, that is into c. How many c's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. C to the power 4. And d. How many d's are there? Only 1. That can be written as only d. The a to the power 3, c to the power 4, and d. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.